Looking for a quick explanation on how to use Uniqode for business marketing? In this video, we'll dive straight into how this tool can help boost your marketing strategy, whether you're a small business or an established enterprise. Stay tuned because towards the end, I'll also reveal a competitor that might just be the better fit for your business goals and an exclusive deal you won't want to miss. Uniqode is a platform designed to simplify and streamline your marketing efforts, especially for businesses that need to stay competitive in a digital-first world. But is it the right tool for you? Let's break it down. First thing to note, Uniqode makes marketing automation simple. It allows businesses to set up custom workflows to target specific customer segments. This means you can send personalized messages, offers, and follow-ups without lifting a finger. While that sounds great, the setup can be a bit overwhelming for those without much tech experience. Unlike other marketing automation tools, Uniqode doesn't have a super intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which could be a challenge for some users. Next thing, let's talk analytics. Uniqode does provide valuable insights into how your campaigns are performing. It tracks everything from click rates to conversions, which helps businesses make data-driven decisions. However, the reports could be more detailed, and while it gives you the basics, you might find yourself needing more advanced metrics that other tools offer right off the bat. Now, the third thing, Unicode's integrations. It supports multiple CRM and email marketing tools, which is great if you're already using these platforms. But compared to competitors like MailChimp or HubSpot, Unicode's integration options are somewhat limited, especially when it comes to third-party apps. If you're looking to connect with other software beyond the standard integrations, you might run into some roadblocks. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the pricing. Uniqode offers a solid free trial, but once you move past that, it can get pretty expensive, especially for smaller businesses on a budget. When you look at alternatives like ActiveCampaign, which offers similar features at a more competitive rate, you might start questioning if Uniqode is truly the best value for your marketing dollars. But here's the thing, Uniqode definitely shines with its customer support. They offer one-on-one sessions with their team to help you optimize your campaigns. While some marketing software can leave you hanging with generic FAQ pages, Uniqode goes the extra mile by offering direct assistance. That said, the support could be a bit faster and response times can vary depending on your subscription level. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about the alternatives. If you're not entirely sold on Uniqode, there are some other marketing automation tools out there that could fit your needs even better. ActiveCampaign, for instance, offers a more flexible pricing model and better integrations, which might be more suitable for your business. Plus, it comes with a great free trial and is perfect for businesses looking to scale without breaking the bank. So, should you use Uniqode for business marketing? It's a solid choice, but there are definitely alternatives that might better serve your specific goals. Before you make your decision, check out the link below for an exclusive and extended free trial to Uniqode, as well as the amazing alternatives I mentioned. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.